What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here at the4x4store.co.za where they stock everything from tires to switches to covers to everything. Check the store out. So why am I here? So I'm going to be doing some little, they call it garnishes. So I'm going to be putting this cladding on for protection, window shield, and this is pretty important. This is for your automatic mirrors and windows. This is actually one thing that I would recommend that you would put on the car immediately, because these Hiluxes do not have auto mirrors. And also the window feature, which I'll show you a bit later, is very cool. So it kind of like auto closes itself when you lock your car and your mirror folds in, especially in South Africa. If you forget to unlock your car or you have your window a little bit cracked open, say bye-bye to your stuff inside. And at the 4x4 store, not many people knows this, even including myself, that they actually do fitment here. For a little fee, they can actually fit these products for you or any other products that you have. Obviously there's limitations, but I think they can fit whatever they sell here, probably. Alright, so let's get the fitment sorted out.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the horse.
Alright, so while they're fitting the stuff, this just pulled up here. And apparently I know the owner, so we're going to be doing a review on that car, which means subscribe to the channel, like all my videos, share all my videos. It's going to come up. Oh shit, there's another one that popped up. Look at that. Jesus. Okay, that's enough. We should also do a review on that. That's the owner of the 4x4store.co.za, Kasi. I'll give him a call. We can also do a review on that 4x4 as well. Flipping nice cars that come here. Let's check up on how's everything going. Alright, they actually finished with the fitment of all three items. I've added another item now, the bonnet guard. We're going to be changing the bonnet guard to fit the same style as the window. So it took them under 30 minutes, just under 30 minutes to fit all these stuff, and the fitment is excellent. Look at this, nothing's popping out, everything is proper. And if the product isn't proper, obviously while you're here they will get another one. This is the reason why you should come here to fit your stuff, and they don't really charge that much. It's minute, you know, better than stuff flying off your car on the highway. So Justin at the moment now is making sure that the cladding is stuck on, because there's obviously seeker flicks at the back. Yeah, so he's prepping that now. Alright guys, let me show you the module for the mirror and window. By the way, you can just buy the module just for the mirror, for the Hilux or the Ranger. They have a whole range for every other car brands as well. I'll put the link down the bottom. But this is specifically for the Hilux, which has a very cool feature. Check this out. So when you lock the car, you press it twice, the mirror folds in. Auto windows that flip up, they go up. This is a very good, very cool safety feature, especially in South Africa. I like this mirror idea because when you lock the car, you need to know when the car is locked. Sometimes you keep pressing your button to make sure it's locked, and there are some things called the car lock jammer. So when your windows are in like this, you can safely assume it's locked and walk in. With the window auto close function, that's even better. Like with my kid at the back, they play around with the window, it's half open, you don't know it's half open, you think your windows are all closed, you walk to the shop. This will help you. So let me show you again. Look at that. Click twice and it closes. How cool is that? Guys, so we took the bonnet guard off, the old one, and we put a new one in that matches the window one. And yeah, so I have a bonnet guard for a Hilux for giveaway. So all you're going to do is subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, share the video, whatever, and as long as you are in South Africa, we can make an arrangement and send the bonnet guard through to you, no problem. Cool guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys like it. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share the video, do all the nice stuff for me. See you guys next time. Cheers.